Biryani is a dish that is enjoyed by people of all age groups. So, how about a home cooked one that is very simple to make as well? This is how we make Ambur Biryani in our home. Soak around 4 to 5 red chilies in hot water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wash and soak 1.5 cups of basmati rice for about half an hour and then drain it and keep it until required. Grind the soaked red chilies along with the water in which it was soaked. If you do not have red chilies, you can always use red chili powder, but using the red chilies will give an authentic flavor to the biryani. Now let's have a look at the other ingredients. We have around 500 grams of chicken, 1 cup thinly sliced onions, half a cup of thinly sliced tomatoes, crushed ginger and garlic about 1 tablespoon each, mint leaves half a cup and coriander leaves half cup. In whole spices we need 3 green cardamoms, a few cloves, cinnamon sticks and 1 black cardamom. We also need 1 tablespoon of room temperature curd and juice of half a lemon. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee along with a tablespoon of oil. You can also use only ghee or only oil if you wish to. Add in the whole spices. After a few seconds, add in the onions. Make sure to separate the slices and coat them properly in the oil. This will ensure all the onion slices are cooked evenly. Once the onions turn translucent, add in the crushed garlic and cook it for a few seconds. Next, add the crushed ginger and cook it well. You can also add store-bought ginger garlic paste if you don't have crushed ginger garlic with you. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic has disappeared, add the chopped tomatoes. Along with the tomatoes, add the chili paste that we had prepared. Once the tomatoes become soft and mushy, add in the mint and the coriander leaves. Add in the curd and mix it thoroughly. The curd gives a beautiful color and texture to the biryani. When the oil starts oozing out, it's time to add the chicken pieces. Coat the pieces well with the spices. Add in turmeric powder and the required amount of salt. Mix it well. Cover it and let the chicken cook for some time. After a while, you can see that the chicken has started oozing out water. Keep stirring in between to avoid accidental burning at the bottom. The chicken is now well cooked. You can see that we are able to cut its pieces very easily. We need 1.5 cups of water for the rice. Since the water released by the chicken is nearly half a cup, adding another 1 cup is sufficient. Once the water starts boiling, add in juice of half a lemon. Add in the strained rice and mix it well. At this stage, you can also check for the salt and spices and you can add if anything is required. Cook this on medium flame for about 10 minutes or until you get one whistle. Once you switch off the flame, let the steam release at its own pace. After that, let the cooker rest for another 10 minutes. You can see that the biryani is cooked perfectly. Finally, you can add 1 tablespoon of ghee for extra flavor. Yummy biryani is ready to be served with raita. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications.